So welcome back guys to the channel. So today I want to show you one more thing that will make you love Canva even more. So these days you can do quite a lot with Canva. So today I'm going to show us how to make a daily checklist for yourself in Canva, and the best part is that you can do it on your phone. Did you know that you could design this daily checklist and free? Yes, even on Canva. This checklist is useful mostly for those that are extra busy and have a lot on their plates to do every day. And if you also want to free up space in your head by not trying to remember all that you have to do, then a daily checklist is for you. So to design a daily checklist, of course, you log into your Canva, and here we're using Canva for mobile. Of course, you can do it on your computer. So once you are in Canva, you go up to the search bar. If you do not see daily checklist displayed among the templates, so once you type daily checklist, a whole list of templates will appear for you to choose from. As you can see, the templates are loading. Of course, you can also start with a blank canvas if you like. So you can see the templates displayed here. Different types. You can see the one for morning routine, you can see the one for Sunday routine, different titles of templates for you to choose from. So you scroll to find the one that you like. So you can see different types of checklists for self-care, different colors, black and white, different colors. So you have a whole lot to choose from while on Canva. So in case you don't like any of the checklists, if you go to the top bar, you can see the bar that is moving. The checklists have been they have been arranged into different groups according to style, theme, topic, category, and price, etc. So you can select your checklist also based on these different groups. So each one you click on, you can see the price. One that is free, there is the one you can pay for. You can also see according to topic, you choose a topic, then you click on apply, and it will display a template for you like that, as you can see. So you have different groups to choose from. The list is practically endless, and that's one thing I love so much about Canva. So here I'm clicking on the different groups to see what they have on the. So if I choose any option, I'll just click on apply, and automatically it will be applied. So let's say for instance I decide to select a Pinterest themed category. So waiting for it to load. So a Pinterest themed template will appear for me to customize. So you can see them. So I'll just scroll down to select the one I like. So the Pinterest daily checklists are loading. So out of them, I'll select one that I really like. So here they are. So I think I like this one with 15 handcraft stuff, whatever. So that's the one I'm going to select and customize. So I think I like this one with the 15 handcraft, whatever. So I like the color and the way it's designed. So I'm just going to click on it to select it. So anyone you choose, when you click on it, it will appear on your canvas. Then you can go right ahead and begin to customize it. So once the template is selected, you can go right ahead and customize it. You can see this list. You can select it as a whole and change it up, change the typing, change the font, change the color. And once you select a particular element of the template, you see the menu at the bottom that will enable you to customize it whichever way you want. You also have the option to delete, duplicate, and all that. So each element, you can see, you can select. Each element is separated. You can select, and you can even delete some elements that you don't like and add your own. So you can just go ahead, use the menu at the bottom, customize it to your taste before you can now download and use. So you just go ahead, have fun, play around with the different elements that you have. So let's say you are done with your with whatever you want to do. So you can now, when you are done, you can now either upload your documents to a site or you can download it to your device. So to upload your design, you can click on the arrow pointing downwards, and when you click on it, this pop-up will appear. You can see you have the option to send as mail, send the link to somebody, or download it. And then you also have the option to upload it on any of these sites. You can see even Pinterest and all these sites. You can upload your design directly from Canva to these sites. That is when you are done. List on Canva, you can print it out and use it. I hope you learned one or two things from this video. If you have any video suggestions for me to do, if you want to learn about any app or any part of Canva, you can comment in the comment section and I'll make a video about it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.